AHR was just a huge show, and one of the things that Bradford White knows is how important visual content is. The kind of visuals that are going to reach out, grab people, and welcome them into the booth.
There's a lot of unique challenges. Each screen was a little different in size, so we had to think of how we were going to synchronize those screens.
When we first started doing this video, we wanted to synchronize between the rotunda and the monolith a waterfall. The water would start on the rotunda, it would fill up, splash around, and then fall into the monolith screen. I always have the same reaction when we get projects like this is, no, I don't know how we're gonna do this. And then you look back and, all right, you know what, that was really challenging and it's really fun and it's different, it's just great.
People are very visual, and it's especially important that in a trade show, people can experience all of those visuals. That's one thing that Bradford White did really well, and we believe that the videos really reflected the quality of what they do.